Hi there everyone! Welcome to Jay's How-To channel. Today we're getting into a project that's not just practical, but magical. Installing landscape lights. Whether you want to make your guests excited or enjoy the yard after dark, designing the system will make your outdoor space into a nighttime paradise. Let's get into the project and make it happen. Stick around for the full transformation. It's easier than you think. First, let's talk tools and how you can install your landscape lights. You'll need low voltage landscape lights, a transformer with a photocell, low voltage wire, wire strippers, a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, and a small shovel. Now it's time to position your lights. Lay them out where you think they'll go. A pro tip: using a flashlight at night to simulate how the light will hit key features, it will save you a ton of guesswork. The pathway light fixtures need to be about 8 to 12 feet apart, and use the spotlights for the trees and palms. Now, let's set up the brain of this operation, the transformer. It converts your home electricity into a safe low voltage for your lights. Mount it near a GFCI outlet and plug it in. Make sure you match up the negative and positive terminals if you're using a DC device. If you have low voltage AC, you don't have to worry about positive and negative. Read the instruction manual. A quick double check here will save you headaches forever. Now comes the wiring. Lay the low voltage wire along your light layout. Keep it snug along the ground, but leave a little slack at each light in case you need to reposition the lights. Here's where the magic starts coming together. Connecting the lights. Most fixtures have clip-on connectors that snap right into the wire. I like using wire nuts. The clip-on connectors will fail over time. Repeat this for all of your lights. Once connected, gently tug the wires to ensure that everything is tight. Now for the moment of truth. Let's power it up. Look at that. It's already coming to life. The pathway lights are nice. Now walk around and adjust each light to highlight your features perfectly. The goal is a soft, inviting glow, not a spotlight in your eyes. Aim some lights upwards to create a dramatic effect on trees or walls. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to tidy up. Bury the wires about 2 or 3 inches deep. This keeps them protected and out of sight. Take your time and avoid nicking the wires. Now test the lights again, and there you have it. A front yard transformation that's practical, beautiful, and done by you. If you've enjoyed this project, hit the like button and subscribe to Jay's How-To channel. Let me know in the comments how your lighting project turned out. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep building, and keep shining bright.